What's going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. It's 50% off today here at Goodwill in Tillsonburg, Ontario. I think it's December 1st, rainy morning. I'm about 20 minutes late to opening. Had to drop my wife off at work, so hopefully we can still find some good stuff and I can show you what I find. All right, so it looks like I saved $106.61, meaning I spent $106.61 on 24 items. I did the math kind of quick in my head. I think I'm into everything about $4.40. We'll break it down a little better when we get home, but that's just sort of a rough estimate at the second. Yeah, 24 items, not too bad. I think I did pretty good here. I got a lot of jeans. I got some shoes. I didn't really comp anything in store. I actually didn't have a cart when I walked in. It was busy. Obviously 50% off. It just opened, like I said, when I opened the opening, I think I said like I was 20 minutes late. So the carts were all gone. I just waited for someone to check out. I got a little buggy, a little basket. I'll throw a picture of the basket up now. Full. I had to drag it around the store. The wheels didn't even work. And maybe it's just too heavy. I don't know. Regardless, let's go home. We'll go through everything and then we'll do a little outro clip and I'll tell you how much money I expect, potential profit I could make and all this stuff. I think it's pretty good though. I didn't get any crazy items, but I got a lot of bread and butter stuff that will be good store filler, here going into December. I'm gonna try to go through this stuff pretty quickly here. Once again, I paid $106.61. If we just break that down over how many pieces total? 24 pieces total. Looks like we're into it $4.44 roughly, okay? Not too bad. I'll kind of give you a breakdown of what certain items are worth in store, but overall we're just going to consider everything at $4.44. Yeah, let's just jump into this. I'll try to throw up comps when they're available, or if not, similar comps or a suggested price that I think I'll get them for. First thing, this bag was $2.29, half price, right? Not too bad. It's a Vera Bradley. I don't know if this is a little lunch bag or a little hand purse, whatever. I will figure that part out. Definitely great brand for that kind of money, right? Next, I was really surprised to see this jersey. It was in with the sweaters and jerseys in that store. Jerseys can be more depending on where they are, but if they're with the sweaters, every sweater or everything like that is $8.79, so we're paying half price. This has some pilling on it and some loose threads that I do need to clean up. I think it's size medium, CCM. I think this is from the 90s. Next, we have this vintage Labatt's Ice. 1993 crew neck. Pretty cool. I think this will sell for decent money. I'll probably put it up for, I don't know. I'll try to see if I can find a similar comp, obviously. But if not, I still think probably 40 bucks. Again, that was about $8 and change. I did pick up a bunch of jeans. I need men's jeans. For whatever reason, when I go to the bins, men's jeans are usually destroyed or just not even available. So I picked up a bunch of Levi's, all different kinds. So jeans in this particular store, Goodwill, are $9.49. So I'm paying half of that, obviously. Levi's 514s, not the best ones ever, obviously. Size 32-30, pretty decent. Go through a bunch of the men's jeans right now. These are 514, size 36. Basically making sure that there's no rips or that they have not been altered on the seam. It could be okay if they've been altered, but if it's a 36, 32, it's a lot easier to sell it like that. To say it's been altered and someone's changed the length or whatever. Same thing, nice bottoms. These are another pair of 514s. I think these ones are 30, 36, 32s as well. Just a nice pair of clean jeans. I don't think these are worth a ton of money, but they always sell for me, so I like picking them up. They're easy to list, they're easy to ship. Another pair of men's jeans here. These are 505s, 3630s. Nice pair of black jeans. Once again, this one's the red tab on the back. Yeah, super clean on the bottom. Lots of jeans today. I think a few more pair of men's jeans and then we'll get into some other stuff. Here's a pair of 505 or 504s, 3230. This has got a black and silver tag on the back. Nice pair of black jeans there. Yeah. Half off day, a lot of stuff's picked over. Levi's is a great brand, always sells for me. So these are 505s, another pair of Levi's. I sort of just went for the Levi's. These ones need to be cleaned up. There's a little stain right there. They'll come out, I think, in the wash. 36, 34, pretty clean. Otherwise, very clean on the bottom. Bought this shirt. I just thought it was cool. I'm gonna try it on. If it fits me, awesome. I will likely keep it. It just says positive state of mind. I think it's neat. If it doesn't fit me, I'll probably sell it for like, I don't know, 15 bucks, maybe 20 bucks, something like that. Pair of Vans. These were in the women's section. They are a youth size 7. Okay. Oh, that's not the other Van. Somewhere in here is the other Van. We'll find it at some point. It's right there. Pair of those. Decent. So shoes there are $8.49. Also have these Keens right here. These are men's size 8, I believe. They're waterproof, leather. You know, you can usually tell with these toes. When you see this toe, it usually means that they're Keens. Yeah, very nice. Those should probably sell for 30, 40 bucks, something like that. There's some more shoes in here. We'll get to them. Got a men's sweater here. This is a Eddie Bauer, 100% cotton, size XL tall. So I normally wouldn't pick this up because it's a tall, so it's longer torso, I did. Another pair of shoes. We picked up a pair of Converse. These are the ones, they're not supposed to have laces. You're just supposed to slide into these ones. These are a women's size 8. Probably get like 30 bucks for those. I think all the shoes I picked up today are in the same price range, roughly. Right at the $8.49, half price, obviously. Got these Skechers. I thought the tie-dye was really cool. I don't think these would be worth a ton of money. You'd probably get 30 bucks out of those, something like that. I have a jacket here. This jacket, oh, nope, that's not the jacket. It's still in there. This is a Wrangler. It's a collab shirt here. So it's Wrangler, and it's embroidered. It says Ram Rodeo Series, new with tags. I don't know. I would never wear this, but there are lots of people out there who love stuff like this. So definitely worth picking up. It's all embroidered. It's pretty white. You know, sometimes even with tags, white stuff cannot be super white when you get them from stores like that. But this one's okay. This is a nice little pullover. It's a jacket. It is Nike Golf. I think that's the older Nike Golf tag, size large. Just a little Nike Golf pullover. Pretty nice. Same thing. This one would have been about $11, so half price there. Next up, we have a pair of these Adidas right here. They're just some slip-on Adidas. They're not cloud foam, I don't think. They're memory foam. Pretty basic shoes, but they should probably still sell. I'd probably sell them for like 25, 30 bucks, somewhere in that price range. Another pair of Adidas. Same thing. Didn't really look up these either. Didn't really look up anything. I just kind of went with my gut on a lot of stuff. I think those would be a $30 shoe as well, roughly. I think we're into some women's jeans and a couple more jackets in here. These are Levi's 511 3232. Pretty nice. These ones look basically brand new, to be honest. A pair of not Levi's right here. These are a pair of Gasoline. I don't know if these are vintage, but I don't really know that this brand is super popular anymore, but vintage is definitely a good thing. It's got like a weird little buckle across the side. Half price there as well. Women's jeans are the same for us. $9.49, so half of that. Not bad. A pair of Gasoline jeans. These ones I think are Rock Republic. Not too bad. Has like some nice little embroidery work on the back, and I think there's like the button has like a skull or something. Very nice. These are women's as well. What size are they? I don't know. Reasonable size. I guess it probably says on the tag. It says size 8. If you're interested. One more thing in here, I guess. Just the jackets. So this jacket I seen the other day and didn't pick it up. They were asking, I thought if it was still up there for 50% day, I would get it. It was $11.79. This is a Reebok jacket. See, it's like clear, but you can see the red through it. I thought it was interesting. I seen some actual just straight clear ones that sold for decent money. When I was in the store the other day, I couldn't find a comp. Like I said, I didn't even look up comps today for this. Don't know if this is men's or women's. It was in the men's section, and it looks like they're asking about like 11 bucks. So I paid like not much, a little over $5 for this thing, right? Not too bad. Yeah, that was everything I got. I want to share with you guys something that's been exciting in the background happening that I've been kind of beating around the bush about. Take a look. So let's just get through the breakdown here, and then at the end of the video, I can talk a little bit more about the purchase, the store purchase we just made. So if you're not interested, you can just click off after you get the breakdown here. So cost of goods, $106.61. Estimated profit. So I basically took the number from sold comps. Some of them I went a little bit below that just to be kind of conservative, but still $721.38 is estimated value of all that stuff. So we obviously have to remove fees. So I'm just using eBay as a platform where I'm going to remove fees. So basic eBay fees would be $100 on all those items. So that would still leave us with a potential profit of $499.60. Now I'm giving you these numbers too. We are considering that the shipping is just a wash. I put 0 in a calculator because normally whatever I charge shipping is what I expect shipping to cost. Sometimes you make a little money, sometimes you lose a little money, but for the sake of this, let's just say it washes out at 0. So not too bad. Potential profit of just about $500 here. All right, so if we're going to talk about the business just a little bit more, essentially this is a brand new business. We started a corporation that bought the assets of the old business Tranquility. We also asked for the rights to run as Tranquility, so the business will still be called Tranquility Spa. I think it's Tranquility Spa Limited. I have to look at the legal paperwork, but basically we're keeping the same storefront. The staff is staying on. We're very excited about that. We were hoping we didn't ruffle any feathers. We signed a non-disclosure when we did this, so we didn't talk about it to anybody, including you or the people who work there, or even family members, really. So this has been a very private thing. You know, I've sort of gave little timbits that maybe we had something in the works. Well, this is what it was. So we went. For us, this is all in on this business. We took it to our accountant. We were advised it was a smart investment because, you know, when it comes to a business of this size, it's a lot different than eBay. And I am learning that just with like doing the books and stuff like that. It's not one-to-one. It is a whole new ball game really, because you're working in with loans and debt and all kinds of things. So it's kind of scary, kind of fun. It's a new adventure in our life here. I'm so excited for my wife. For me, this truly is just sort of an investment and to learn a new business and, you know, to grow. But for her, this has been her dream for the last 5 years, to become licensed as a hairstylist, to build a clientele, to maybe work on her own. She didn't dream in a million years, I'm sure, that she would buy this business. It's far exceeded what I think we thought was going to happen here before the end of the year. You know, I just left my job here in May to become a full-time reseller, you know, on YouTube and on all these different platforms. And so much has happened in that time, including this. So this is something that's great. This is really great, actually, that happened to us. It's a little scary. I'm a little bit overwhelmed, and I'm sure she is too. But we will get through this, and hopefully, you know, in the future, we can talk more about this. I think next time I might give a little more information. If anybody has questions, maybe at the end of the next video, I might answer some questions about the business buy and things like that. But for now, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.